Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with anti-malware service executable and it is really bothersome, then here's what you can do. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar, the malware removal tool, or better said, just search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the virus and threat protection. Go to scan option, select a full scan, click on scan now and let the scan run through. Just postpone your work for a while because this will not stop. You can try other solutions like an SFC scan, etc. But in the short term, you cannot really stop it. So go to run as administrator, type SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to repair the files. Okay, so these are the two fixes that you can try, and one more thing is that you can update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on the option to check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.